The 2023 Unicorn Vigo Caravan from Bailey is a 4-berth, single-axle, lightweight caravan that offers a spacious lounge area, well-equipped kitchen, fixed transverse island bed, and large full-width rear washroom. The Vigo is a popular choice for families and couples who want a luxurious and practical caravan for touring. It is lightweight and easy to tow, making it ideal for those who are new to caravanning. The lounge area is spacious and comfortable, with 2 sofas that can be converted into a double bed. There is also a large TV point and a selection of USB and 230V sockets. The kitchen is well equipped with a separate grill and oven, 3-burner gas hob, and microwave. There is also a large fridge/freezer and plenty of worktop space. The fixed transverse island bed is comfortable and spacious, with plenty of storage space underneath. There is also a TV point and a selection of USB and 230V sockets. The rear washroom is large and full width, with a separate shower, toilet, and sink. There is also a vanity unit with a mirror and a selection of storage cabinets. The 2023 Unicorn Vigo Caravan is a luxurious and practical caravan that is perfect for families and couples who want to enjoy the freedom of touring. The 2023 Unicorn Vigo Caravan comes with a range of standard features, including ALKO ATC trailer control, tracker monitor system, Truma 80W solar panel, ALD central heating, light oak interior, USB spotlights. The Vigo is also available with a range of optional extras, such as air conditioning, awning, satellite dish, TV. Overall, the 2023 Unicorn Vigo Caravan is a great choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, spacious, and comfortable caravan. It is ideal for families and couples alike, and it is perfect for touring both the UK and Europe.